Have you been looking for a home with a stunning layout, with a gorgeous lot, a chef's kitchen, a walkout basement in one of the most sought after neighborhoods in all of Lethbridge? Well, I might just have the home for you. Today we're in Copperwood, which I mentioned earlier is one of the most desirable neighborhoods in the entire west side. Not only are we close to grocery stores, schools, and even the second largest YMCA in Canada, but it's the soul of this community that you're gonna fall in love with. You see, I actually live in this neighborhood as well, and just let me tell you that I can never get over the amount of people that are out walking around enjoying these parks and pathways. And speaking of a family neighborhood, during Halloween, we had over 260 kids visit us for trick-or-treating. Now tell me that doesn't sound like the picture-perfect family neighborhood. With the high demands of homes in this area, I have the opportunity for you to own a detached home with a double car garage and extended driveway with a walkout basement backing on to Miners Landing Park. As you walk into the main floor of this home, you will be blown away by the open to above living room with these extra tall ceilings and additional windows to take advantage of that beautiful view. Let's talk about this chef's kitchen that features granite countertops and this industrial Bernazzoni gas range, as well as this industrial size fridge and freezer combo. Off the kitchen is your oversized pantry that leads directly into your 2-car garage. So when you're making these big grocery runs, you can go right from the car right into the pantry. What you're gonna love about this open floor plan is how it flows from the kitchen to the dining room to the living room, so that when you're entertaining, no one is ever that far away. Now just off your dining room here is your main floor deck area for you to soak in those views and enjoy those beautiful prairie sunsets. This area over here is to die for. Of course, you have these big oversized windows to soak in those views, but you also have this gas fireplace to keep things cozy during these winter months, as well as this gorgeous staircase leading up into the second floor. Now, before we head up to that second level, we do have a main floor office area, as well as a 2-piece powder room. On this second level, you're gonna find a total of 4 bedrooms up here, so that all of the family, including those little ones, can all be on the same level. We also have a 4-piece bathroom up here as well, and even main floor laundry. Now entering the primary bedroom, you're gonna notice that you have a ton of space. And with these big windows over on this side, this area feels bright and airy. You also have an ensuite featuring dual vanities and a walk-in shower, as well as a oversized walk-in closet. Now I know I mentioned that this home has a walkout basement, but it's really much more than that. You see, this basement actually has a separate side entrance that can be totally separate from the main living areas of the home. Further than that, we also have this full-size kitchen area, as well as this spacious living room. And with this being a walkout, you have, again, more oversized windows, as well as the sliding door that leads out into your private covered deck area. This lower level also features another bedroom and another 4-piece bathroom, as well as a whole separate laundry space. So you could totally see how this area can be used as an Airbnb, a mother-in-law suite, or just another great living space for those larger families. So if you think this home is as good of a fit for you as I think it is, then be sure to call me, Kurtis Hawkins, at the Real Estate One team. And if you guys like this video and want to see more home tours like this, there's a whole playlist right here. And if you never want to miss another one, just hit that subscribe button and we'll see you guys on the next one.